Welcome back, hackers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the system info tool or command to get information about any system. Basically, this is how you're going to run it. You want to type system info, click enter on this. It's going to load the information about the current system we are inside. It's going to load the host name, that is the operating system name. We also have the OS version, a whole lot of information about the host. And basically, you can read through all of this and even find awesome stuff you can find about the system. If you have this information, you have basically everything about the operating system and the operating systems functions. So basically, if you have this in a Recon state, you can use it to elevate your privileges or understand how a system works. So the system info also comes with a lot of switches. So when you type system info and slash question mark, click enter on this, you can see we have a whole lot of switches that you can apply to the system info command. You can even use it to get remote information about another system. So basically, system info is a very powerful tool to learn. I'll be doing a full video on the system info. If you are interested in the video, please type system info in the command center, that is our comment, and I'll reply you shortly. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.